Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharifah Farhana binti Said Sulaiman. My metric number is S63568. My title project is Copolymerization of Methyl Methyl Acrylate MMA and Methyl Acrylic Acid MAA via Emulsion Polymerization technique. This is content that have in this video. It is introduction, literature review, methodology, expected result, and also reference. For introduction, we must know what it is polymeric nanoparticle. It is particle range in size 1 to 1000 nanometer that can be loaded with active chemical that are either interrupt within or surface absorbent onto the polymeric core. For example, in range 10 to 500 nanometer, effectively carry drugs, protein, DNA to target cell and organ. Next, the objective for this project is to synthesize hydrophilic homopolymer nanoparticle for methyl methyl acrylate MMA and methyl acrylic acid MAA monomer and copolymer nanoparticle for MMA and MAA via emulsion polymerization technique. Next, to study the effect of different molar ratio for MMA and MAA toward the formations, morphology, size, thermal stability, and solubility of the homopolymer and copolymer nanoparticles. Also, to characterize the synthesis homopolymer and copolymer nanoparticle using for transfer infrared spectroscopy, FTIR, scanning electron microscope, SEM, thermographic matrix analysis, TGA, and simple solubility tests. Next, for the problem statement, firstly, in incompatibility of monomer, MAA and AA is about the different polarity for them. The MMA is hydrophobic monomer and MAA is hydrophilic monomer. Secondly, it's about the initiation problem. It's about the suitable initiator for MAA because it's weak acids. Lastly, it's about the degradation of MAA. It is because the MAA is unstable when gradation at the higher temperature. So decomposition can lead to lower molecular weights and poor mechanical properties of the copolymer. For the literature review, my polymer that I use in this project is polymethyl methyl acrylate (PMMA). MMA is monomer considered as a hydrophobic monomer since it is only partially soluble in water. Emulsion polymerization of MMA will produce poly-MMA that has the characteristics of partially solubility in water, which is not completely biodegradable. Therefore, this is to improve the hydrophobicity and biocompatibility of PMMA nanoparticles. It is desirable to combine MMA monomer with another monomer via the copolymerization methods. The polymer that I use in this project is methyl acrylic acid. MAA is the structure. Methyl acrylic acid is a colorless liquid with a sharp odor. We can dissolve methyl acrylic acid in warm water albeit is miscible in most organic solvents. Methyl acrylic acid is a parent or precursor compound for many ester products used in pharmaceutical manufacture. The fourth copolymerization of polymer nanoparticle is via emulsion. Emulsion polymerization is an emulsification process that involves many ingredients such as water-soluble initiator, water-insoluble monomer, water, and surface active agents or surfactants. For the methodology for this project, contain the synthesis of PMMA and MAA homopolymer nanoparticles. I use the addition of copolymer MAA to PMMA by using the emulsion polymerizations. The polymer nanoparticle we dry in turbowave or freeze-drying machines. Next, for the characteristic of polymer nanoparticle, I use FTIR, simple solubility, SEM, and also TGA. Expected result for this project is for FTIR, we can see peak C double bond O, C double bond C, and also C single bond O. For simple solubility test, the time for the polymer samples to fully dissolve in the aqueous medium is recorded for the reports. For the SEM magnification absorption of 500 times, 50 nanometers clade and the voltage is 50 kV. For TGA, show the PMMA, co-MMA thermal stability.